means the XY plane. Okay, normal XY plane stuff like you've been doing. These rules counterclockwise 90 degrees and clockwise 270, they mean exactly the same thing. These are actually the same.
Okay.
So visually, let's talk about what that means visually. So we got to pick a starting point. So we'll pick the top. The top is the starting point, okay? Actually, that's not correct. Let's choose this on the right. Here's the starting point, okay? Which way is counterclockwise? Is it that direction or that direction? Which arrow is counterclockwise?
The upper one.
The top one, yeah. So 90 degrees puts this new point up here. Do you see that?
Yeah.
Clockwise is going the other direction. Now, 270 is going 90, 180, 270. So you get to the same place, but you just get there by going in the opposite direction.
Yeah.
Have you ever maybe traveled with someone and they'll say, we'll meet you there, and they get there either before you or ahead of you, and it's because they took a different route, but you guys ended up in the same place?
Okay.
Have you ever had that happen?
Like go around counterclockwise?
Well, just think of like where you live, wherever you live, and maybe just a place nearby, and they go this way, and or you can go the other way. That's what we're saying here. All right, so here's what I want you to do, Sourish. I really want you to write this rule down in your notes. So let me just clear the screen here and have you write the rule down. Could you please write this rule down in your notes?
Yeah. Okay, got it down.
Got it down. Okay. So just to make sure here, can you give me that rule? What did that rule say?
That rule said counterclockwise is 90 degrees, remember?
Yep. Got
And
it.
clockwise is 270 degrees, and
Good.
also x and y equals to negative y x.
Very good. Very good. Thank you for writing that down. I really appreciate it. Now let's look at some examples here. Let's say I give you the ordered pair 3, 4. Okay, and this means that x is 3 and y is 4.
Yes, I think
Okay.
that's gonna be negative 4, 3.
It is.
Yeah, I heard that in class. Yes, I seen that. I seen that in class today.
Okay, go ahead and try this one, please. -5,
Negative
2.
5.
Very good. How about this one?
Five, negative 4.
It's definitely 5. What happens to the x value though?
Oh, wait a minute. It just becomes positive 4, 5, 4.
Good. Okay. Okay. So let me show you a better way to do this. So let's say we're doing this rule, the whole counterclockwise CCW 90 degrees or clockwise 270. And I give you a bunch of ordered pairs like 1, 3, -3, 2, 2, 1, 3, -2. Okay.
Yeah.
When you do these conversions, you want to do them so that you're doing the same thing each time. And notice that like going from the X to that X is probably the easiest one to do. So we're taking that first number and we're putting it over here on the right. Do you see that?
Yeah.
So you can your brain can do things faster if you do the same thing rather than switching between two things. All right. Now this other one, it says take the Y value and negate it. Okay. So Y is 3, negate it. Y is 2, negate it. Y is 1, negate it. Negate it. It's a lot easier to do things do it this way.
Okay.
All right, so let me give you one to try here, just like this here.
Oh,
So
let me see that. Let me see that for a minute.
Sure.
Okay. All right. All right.
You got it?
Uh-huh.
Okay, so we're going to use the same rule, and I'm going to give you a couple of points here to work with, okay? So the rule is, well, actually, you've got the rule, so let me have you do it here. Let's go -5, -3, -3, 5, 5, -3, 5, +3. Okay, I want you to give me the new ordered pairs here for each of these, please.
Okay. All right. That right there is 3, -5.
Okay, good. Keep going.
Uh-huh. That right there is, that right there is, 5, 3.
Nope, try again.
-5, 3.
Did you try to do all of the Y values first? Or did you try to do it at the same time, both the rules?
No, I'm just be able to I'm just using the numbers at the end, like the number, like just like
Right, but the best way to do this, Sourish, is to, for example, move all the X values, -5, -3, 5, and 5. See how I just moved all the X values at one time? Your brain can process things better when you do the same thing over and over again than trying to switch between.
okay, okay.
And then the Y values are the same. You're going to or what goes in this first column here is you negate this number, put it there.
Okay. All right, okay. All right. All
So
right.
give me the numbers in the first column here.
3, -5.
Just in the first column, just say 3 and then give me the one down below it.
5.
It's not 5. You got to negate it.
-5.
Okay. What's the next number?
That right there is 3.
Okay. What's the next number?
-3.
Good. It's much easier to do things over and over again. Okay. All right. Now let's look at another rule. You ready for another rule?
Yeah.
Okay. Let me snip that in. Okay. So here's our new rule. This is going the other direction. Make this a little bigger. Ooh, too big. Okay, there's the new rule. Okay, so notice this one's really similar to the last one. Okay, counterclockwise versus clockwise. Okay, so in a circle here, let's say, again, just like before, we're starting here at the right. Okay,
Okay.
clockwise 90 degrees means going down 90 degrees. You see that?
Yeah. Okay.
And then counterclockwise is going the other direction to get there.
Okay. Yeah.
If you look at your notes, you'll see that the other circles, the drawing is going a different direction. And it's a new rule altogether here. So could you get that rule down for us, please?
Yeah. Okay.
Sourish, do you have this down?
Yes, I got it down.
Okay. All right. So I just want the rule this time. What is the rule for these problems?
Yes, what I know is that counterclockwise, clockwise, that is 270. Counterclockwise is 90, and it's x and xy, and yx is -xy.
Okay, that's not the let's look at it again. It's xy goes to y comma minus x.
Yeah, y -x. I was
Okay.
saying that.
All right. So here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna do a couple of ordered pairs here, like -1, 5, 5, 1, 1, -5, -1, -1. Okay. So again, what I recommend, Sarish, is the one that's the same. See how the y goes to the first position?
Yeah.
So we're going to take that second number and we're just going to rewrite it. And that's what I want you to do. I want you to do these all kind of like in a vertical column there. The one that's the same.
Okay.
See how these are exactly the same? These numbers are exactly the same as the number in the y position, the second ordered pair there.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right. Now for the other one here, you negate the value. Whatever it is, it becomes negative. So whatever you see in the first position, you negate and put it in the second position. So go down the list here. Tell me what to put in this position. Cyrus, do you understand what I'm asking you to do?
Yes, I know what I'm doing.
Okay.
Yes. That right there is, that right there is 5,
No,
1.
yeah, well, yes, but I just want the number in the right column here.
Okay, well, it's just fine for me to be saying the full one.
It is okay, but I just want the number, like what I want your focus to be on, and that's what I'm trying to help you here with using this process, is just on those numbers. Those numbers come here after you negate them. Because there's a lot of numbers in this problem. Would you agree?
Yeah,
Then that's why I asked. Maybe it's not clear what I'm asking you to do. I want you to take each of these X values on the left here, the ones that are in the red, and negate them. Negate each
all
one.
right, 1, okay. 5, -5.
Good.
Mhm. -1
Good.
and 1.
All right. Awesome. Awesome. Okay. Let's try another one here. X comma Y becomes Y comma minus X. Let's go, let's see, 7, -6, 6, -7, -6, -7, -7, 6.
Okay,
So what I want you to do is focus just on the Y, just on this right here. And that's what's going to go in this position. And I want you to work vertically. So you're going to work down the list. Do you see that?
yeah,
So tell me what goes in the blue on the right here.
okay. All right, now, that right there is, 6. Right there is 7.
Okay, it's got to be the same number, Sarge. Y becomes Y. Like it goes from the second position here.
Oh, wait, yeah, okay, -7.
-6, -7,
Uh-huh.
-7, and
-6. 6, just normal 6. So yeah,
okay. And now this red over here goes to the second position, but it's negated. Do you see that? You're going to negate it.
yeah. Negated.
So you're gonna negate the numbers in this red here. What does that become on this over here on the right?
All right, that right there is gonna be, -7.
Okay,
All right. That right there is gonna be -6.
okay,
That right there, that's gonna be, 6
good. Keep going.
and 6, and that's gonna be 7.
Very good. Do you understand that I'm trying to get you to work in a vertical fashion?
Hmm.
Yes, no, maybe.
Hold on, let me look.
Okay.
Okay, yes, I remember now. Yes. Yes.
Okay, we're gonna do another one here. So I want you to see that it's better to work vertically. It's better to work down the list, okay? And then down the list rather than trying to do them together. All right, so let's do this again here. Let's say the rule here is x comma y comma minus x. And let's go 3, 4, -4, -3, -2, 1, 1 comma -4. All right, so I want you to work through each list vertically first. I want you to go to vertical first, and then the other one, and then give me your answers. Is it clear what I'm asking you to do, Sourish?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Let me know if you have any questions. Give that a try, please.
Okay. -4, 3.
Do you have all of them for me?
Okay. Why? I was saying answer, and now you're just
Understand, but
telling me what.
I'm just making sure. Do you have all the numbers? All 8
Yes.
numbers? Okay.
Yes.
Okay. All right. What's the first number?
I said -4, 3.
It is not -4.
What it is, because
Let's go back and look at the previous problem. Look at the blue here. What do you notice about the blue? The blue on the left and the blue on the right. What do you notice about them?
it just turns into a negative. And yeah,
It's not, they're the same, aren't they? Isn't it -6 and -6?
no.
They're not the same?
I mean, yeah, they are the same.
How about -7 and -7?
-7, -7.
Are they the same?
Are they the same? Yes, they are the same.
About -7 and -7, are they the same?
Yes.
Okay, so notice the blue is the same as the blue. That's what y to y means, that they're the same.
Okay.
So the first number here has to be the same as which number on the left?
Which number on the left?
Yes, this y becomes the new, it's the new
And so
x,
it,
but
so it needs to be 4, 4.
okay,
4,
4. Now,
-3.
now go to the next one. What goes here?
-3,
Okay,
1, and -4.
okay, good. Now, what's going on in the next one? How do we go from x to this right here? What is, can you say in words what's happening? You go from x to -x. What does that mean?
What does that mean?
Yeah, what does x to -x mean?
X to -x mean? X to -x means it means it's uh negative.
Negated, because it could be
What?
positive. Well,
It's
it could
negative, not negative. Oh, wait.
negated means, which means that if it's positive, it becomes negative. If it's negative, though, it becomes positive. Maybe a better word is to switch signs or phrase. You know, maybe you like that better. So you look at the x value. What's the first x value here?
What's the first X value there?
Yes.
3.
So you negate it or
And
switch
then make the
signs. What is it?
negative.
Okay. What's the number that goes down below here?
Number that goes on the down, that's a below.
Yep. You look at this number here that I'm circling, and what do you do to it?
What do you do to it? That is gonna be a 4
Good. Keep going. What's the next
and
number?
2 and -1.
Okay. Do you understand? Is it clear how to do this? How to go from the y on the left here, this second column to this first column.
Yeah, yep,
You keep it.
yeah.
And for the other one, you change the signs. Okay, ready to try one on your own again?
What? Yeah, yeah. Mhm.
Okay. All right, -2, 4, 4, -4, -2, -4, and -2,
Okay,
-3. All right, so go ahead. I want you to work this all the way out and give me your answers. Or let me know when you're done, then I'll get your answers.
okay. Or 2.
Just let me. You got them all.
Oh my god.
You. I'm just asking. Have you got them all?
Yeah, I just yes, I did.
Great.
You
Can
keep
you
on
go?
asking the same
I want.
question all over and over again.
Why do you think I asked the same question over and over again?
It's just like it's just becoming annoying. That's why.
I didn't ask if it was annoying, Sourish. I asked
Yeah,
why.
I said it's 4-2
No, I'm asking you a question now. We're going to pause the lesson if you don't answer my question. Why do you think I ask you the same questions over and over again?
because it's just like it's just getting weird and all, and yeah.
So what you just did right there is the reason I ask you the same question over and over again. I will ask you a question and you will not answer it. You will tell me something else. And that's why I have to keep asking, because I don't know if you actually understand what I'm telling you.
Okay.
I'm asking you to give me your answer. I know you want to give them as ordered pairs, and normally we do that. For me to make sure it's correct, I want you to go down vertically, because I'm trying to get you to see that if you work vertically, it's better. So that's what I was going to ask you, if you could give me the numbers vertically.
All right. Okay.
So just give me start here and just work your way down. Tell me those numbers, please.
All right. That right there is 4-2.
All right,
4.
Sarge, I'm asking you to go down vertically, please.
Okay.
Please.
-4, -4, -3.
Great. Now, can you go down vertically here with your
Yes.
numbers? Okay.
2, -4, 2, 2.
Good. All right. So we have covered two different types of transformations today. There is a third, I'm sorry, rotations. There is a third that is perhaps the easiest of them. So let me grab that here. Okay, so this is the counterclockwise 180 and clockwise 180. Okay, so let's use a different
Okay.
color here. So green and green, that's our starting point. If we go counterclockwise 180, we get there. And if we go clockwise 180, we get there. Do you see that? And what does the rule say? What do you see here when you see this rule? XY goes to minus X minus Y. Like, what does that
Yeah.
say to you, or what do you see
It
there?
means it's like it's just what it is. So yeah.
Okay, like X is going to negative X, meaning you negate it or flip the sign. Y goes to minus Y, so you flip the sign.
Yeah. Uh-huh.
Okay, is that okay?
Uh-huh.
All right, will you write this rule down for me and let me know when you've done that?
Uh-huh. Yeah.
You have this rule down, Sourish?
Yeah, this one. Yes, I do.
Okay. All right, so the last thing we're going to do today is I'm going to give you all three rules, okay? And I'm going to give you an ordered pair. Okay, so I'm going to give you something like -4 -5 and tell you that it goes to 4 comma 5, and you have to decide which rule is it. Is it A, B, or C? And I don't want you to guess. I want you to go down the rule list and see which one you think it is.
Okay.
Okay, basically it's like, does XY go to minus YX? Does XY go to minus X minus Y? Or does it go to Y comma minus X? What do you think here?
I'm like, well, we just think we just think that I think that it's just like we just have to just be able to make them like different, like it's gonna be like it's just like becoming like it's rotating.
They're all rotations, Sarge. Which one of these is it? Is it that the original numbers, these are your X and your Ys, what are they going to? Like, what's happening over here?
They're being switched out.
When you say switch, that could mean a couple
They're
of
being
things.
replaced. They're being
Like you could
moved.
mean you could mean this. I'm not sure that's what you mean.
Counts means that
What's happening to x here? What's happening to the -4?
it's turning it into 4.
Okay, and so what is the difference between -4 and 4?
It's just it's where you it's where you get it's because you have to replace the negative into a positive.
That's right. How about for the y value? What's happening to the y value here?
-5 is turned into 5. That happens the same thing.
Okay, so which rule is it? Is it A, B, or C?
B.
It's B. Good. All right, let's see if we can do one more here before our time is up. All right, so here are the rules again. Let's say it's -3, 2 going to 2, 3. Which rule do you think it is? Is it, I maybe label over here. Is it A, B, or C, Sourish? Which one?
A, B, or C.
And this is X, y.
Yeah.
What's happening to the y value? Where is the y
The y
value?
value. What I know is that the y value for that is turned into a negative.
Okay, but the y value here is the same as the x value here.
Yeah.
Do you remember us doing that where we just moved it?
Yeah.
Okay, now the x value was -3. Now it becomes +3. What's happening there?
Happening there. What's happening there is that it's just becoming a negative x. This is a. This is A.
It's not A.
Oh wait, it's C.
It's C. All right. Hey, is your dad around for some feedback tonight?
Dad,